And here we are in another very popular cover crop, fodder radish. Now this helps suck the nutrients out of the ground in the autumn and also will help the soil structure. So what are we thinking about how to kill this in the spring?
As you can see already, there's quite a root on. This is a classic oil radish, still early on. There's still plenty of time to bulk up on this radish. This is the forage radish, and you can see that it's actually got quite a sizable root already. Both of these are looked to be very effective in terms of helping soil structure, forcing these large roots down. Now, the thing is though, we've got quite a bit to kill here. Unlike the mustard, which is just a relatively shallow fibrous root, they've got quite a beefy root that we need to manage. So as we're coming out of the winter, we found that tends to be the best time. So if you leave them, for example, those people who've got maize in their rotations, they may sort of think, oh, I'll leave this in place for another few months. Unfortunately then, this becomes quite a thing, quite a challenge. A plant with this sort of energy source becomes quite a challenge to kill. If we look to the same timing, so we're looking to kill it at that sort of late January, early February timing, we will do a great and effective job at this, and both of these will be easily killed.
Yeah, even the root, this fibrous root.
Even that fibrous root will be taken out without a problem.
Yeah.
So that to me, that's also one of the keys. Now obviously now we're into a species like this, a bit more difficult, so our dose rate will need to increase as appropriate. So if we've got a good field of this, realistically we're now looking at 1,440 grams, which would equate to 4 litres of a 360 gram formulation.
And again, you'd be spraying that 2 to 3 weeks or a bit longer before.
I'd allow, like we were talking earlier, I'd like to see 3 to 4 weeks to allow this top material to die out, by which time we should have got sufficient. I'm not expecting these roots to be necessarily totally degraded by the time we plough, but the glyphosate will be down into those, and they won't regrow and they'll rot away in the subsequent barley crop.
Okay, great. Okay, thanks very much.